There's a wonder product the world can't live without.
The healing powers of honey have long been proclaimed.
The healthy, grown-up, busy bee.
For generations, it's been used as a home remedy for the common cold.
I've been using Manuka honey for years.
Even celebrities have waxed lyrical about its health benefits. But now scientists from the University of Oxford have confirmed honey is better than over-the-counter medicines for treating coughs and colds.
They're pretty fascinating. The more you learn, the more you want to learn.
At this urban beekeeping centre in South London, the capacity of these tiny honey makers comes as no surprise.
Antifungal, antibiotic, different vitamins and minerals in there. But generally, they keep us ticking over. They're one of our biggest pollinators, so they're a great health-giving provider and always have been.
The study found honey was more effective than conventional treatments for coughs, blocked noses and sore throats, reducing the frequency and severity of coughs and speeding up recovery. As the sniffly autumn months approach and we're more keen than ever to stay fit and healthy and keep the strain off the NHS, maybe these little insects can help. The report also says prescribing honey could prevent the over-prescription of antibiotics.
The common cold is caused by a virus. Antibiotics are only effective for bacteria. So what's not to like about the use of honey for the common cold? You don't need to go to the doctor. And it helps me because it helps doctors reduce the unnecessary prescribing of antibiotics.
Though not suitable for children under 1, a spoonful of honey really could be the best medicine. Rebecca Barry, News at 10.